Hello everyone! We are all familiar with the incredible utility of drones in today's world, ranging from photography, delivery service, to search and rescue missions. But what if drones are used inappropriately to invade privacy or security? That is where anti-drone guns like ND-BD003 Handheld anti-drone system come into play. Today I'm here and excited to introduce you to our anti-drone gun, ND-BD003. But first, you might wonder what an anti-drone gun is. In simple terms, an anti-drone gun is a device designed to counter unauthorized drones within protected areas. Our ND-BD003 isn't just a traditional anti-drone gun. It is a special kind known as an handheld all-in-one CUAS. Why do we call it all-in-one? It is because our ND-BD003 integrates detection, countermeasure, display, control, and power supply all in one single portable device. It means that while other traditional jammers need to be used in combination with an external detector, the operators can use our ND-BD003 to perform both detection and jamming flexibly. Thanks to its compact design and lightweight build, ND-BD003 is exceptionally flexible, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of application scenarios. Whether you need to safeguard low-altitude areas or important sites, conduct daily patrols, or secure critical events and spotting activities, ND-BD003 stands as your reliable solution. Now let's take a closer look at our ND-BD003. It is designed with simplicity in mind, and its buttons and features are user-friendly. You can see here, these are the buttons to operate this anti-drone gun. First up, the button on the outside right here is the power button. A simple press and you will turn on the system. Right next to it, we have the GNSS button. This button can be used to jam the navigation frequency band. And then there is this knob right here, which is used to select the jamming communication frequency bands. ND-BD003 isn't just about the basics. It is all about versatility. It can jam not only the most common drone frequency bands like 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and GPS of 1, but it also allows for user-defined frequency bands. This means you can counter drones using uncommon bands too. At the behind of the system, you can also find the system status indicators. Now, on the side of ND-BD003, you will find a LED screen. It is like your display center, providing you with essential information about the device's status and the targeted drones. And then there is the mounted mobile phone. You might be wondering, what is the deal with the phone? Well, it gives you access to app control platform, which allows operators to set parameters and check detected drone information, including drone model, frequency point, angle, distance, etc., facilitating further analysis. So that's a quick tour of the buttons and features of ND-BD003, showing you how user-friendly and versatile this anti-drone gun really is. As I just mentioned, our ND-BD003 reserves user-defined frequency bands for different application scenarios, and it also equipped with app control platform for further advanced features, which undoubtedly are clear advantages that makes ND-BD003 stand out. Besides these two, I want to highlight that our ND-BD003 adopts highly integrated design with efficient detection and jamming functions, while being an extremely cost-effective option compared to some other counter-drone technologies. Now, to give you a real feel of what ND-BD003 can do, let me briefly demonstrate how it works. After turn on, the system will enter into the detection mode automatically. Take up the system towards any possible direction of incoming drone target. After detecting drone target, the system status indicator will flash blue, while the LED screen will display drone target information. The target information will be roughly confirmed through comparing the amplitudes from different incoming wave directions after a system alarm. Once the drone target has been detected, we will continue with the jamming operation by pulling the trigger at the approximate orientation of the target drone. By jamming the communication signal and GPS signal, the drone will be forced to fly back or land. Now you get more familiar with the ND-BD003 handheld anti-drone system and quite understand that our ND-BD003 is your answer to anti-drone security. For more information about our ND-BD003, please visit our website www.NQDefense.com or contact us through info@NQDefense.com. Thank you for watching.